we're a bit behind by 30 minutes, pero that's usually common naman and pick up really soon. Sige, game team tayo. People are really expecting this campaign to launch properly. Sumasabog yung live wire. Brownout tayo. Safety, safety, safety. Tara, tara. So, galingan natin. Agency ng gigil. Kaya humor, di ba? Tawagan yan. Kasi, okay, so we're here with the creatives of this campaign. They're the brains behind this cool idea of puns with the KOL. So, kindly introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm Tasha.
And I'm Karen. And I'm Karen.
Sige po, kumusta? Paano nyo naisip to? Bakit biglang ganito yung angle ng campaign natin?
Initially, buy home bodies siya. So parang ano siya, may mga daily tasks sila na nakakatulong, ganito, ganyan. And until eventually, nag-evolve siya to biome bodies na nagka-crush sa everyday lives ng mga KOLs natin.
Agree ka ba dun?
The reason for that, kaya kami napunta rin sa ganung konsepto. Kasi we were using these popular people, di ba? Pero kailangan syempre sakyan natin ang kanilang popularity. So yun ang naisip namin, let's crash literally into their content.
Ano yun?
Yung narrative, pareho lang. Yung bigla kayo makakita na mascot, pareho lang yun. We're gonna use the same footage for that. Pero magkaiba yung intro i-shoot natin. Tapos merong mascot nakatayo dito. Para kayo, hindi kailangan parang horror movie. Magugulat lang sila, nakatayo ka lang. Gaganon-ganon ka lang. Tapos cut. Later na yung... Okay, tingin ko pinaka-importante part nung shooting na to would be the camera team, no? Kasi parang never lang akong pinansin sa kahit anong projects na nilalapit ko sa kanila. Pero finally, they allowed me to work with them. So ito po ang stellar story, si Imon.
Hello, hello. Magandang araw.
Si Egay.
Hello.
So, kamusta naman? Kamusta ang working on this campaign?
For this campaign, okay naman. Medyo challenging lang kasi iba dun compare sa ginagawa natin. Kasi di ba yung style nito is parang vlog style.
Correct.
So, medyo okay din kasi unusual na ginagawa namin sa ibang advertising world. So, yun lang. Pero ganda naman.
Maganda daw. Ito, anong opinion mo?
Ako, naman. Always, happy ako working with Direk Pao lagi. Always yan, lagi ko yung hinihintay mag-chat sa akin. Kaso walang pumapasok eh.
Kasi laging puno yung schedule niya, kaya wala.
Hindi, kasi laging natatamaan lang. Pero yun.
So kung sino man yung team na kinansalan ni Egay for today, para makasama dito, pasensya na, pinili niya yata yung project na to. Ngayon gagawin ko, lalagyan ko ng cue. Pag sinabi kong and cut, huwag kayo magka-cut. Okay, we're here with Ralph. So, we are doing a campaign for funds, obviously. And then, of course, we need mga pogi people, pogi talents. So, kamusta, brother?
Okay naman, sobrang saya. I'm so happy na I'm able to do the shoot with you guys. And grabe, unang-una, ang ganda ng bahay. Ang ganda ng set namin ngayon. Taas ng energy, ang ganda ng energy dito sa set. Sobrang important talaga.
So, kamusta naman yun, yung buhay ngayon na after, of course, PBB, di ba? What changed? What happened to you guys? What transformed after?
Ayun, sobrang nag-360 po talaga buhay ko direct. As in, before this, parang hindi po ako nakakakuha ng gantong mga work, ng gantong mga opportunities. Kaya sobrang ang daming blessings na dumating after ng PBB. And rightfully so with everyone else also sa bahay na hindi lang po ako yung nabibless. Like everyone po talaga. And I think that's what's so special din sa batch namin. Na lahat po talaga kami nagkaka-work ngayon.
So, of course, thank you for getting us funds. Thank you, funds. Thank you, Unilever, for this opportunity, di ba?
Yan, thank you so much for having us. Can't wait to work with you guys sa future pa. Yan.
Alright, man. Sige, see you later.
Yan, thank you, Direk.
Sige, next take tayo. Thank you, brother. Sige. Gusto na kita orient kasi alam ko nagmamadali tayo lahat, di ba? So, you have your team naman. Very much familiar with how you shoot the content. So, perfect yan. Ang goal is Monday motivation, di ba? Monday.
Stress po ako.
Dapat gusto mo bang mag-shoot na? Kasi parang get sa Manila eh.
Check tayo.
Sobrang hectic today. Static lang. Pero okay naman. Buti magaling yung mga KOLs natin. They can shoot their own content. But of course, they need the guidance of us, yung buong campaign.
Sige nga, try nga natin.
Okay, so sinut niya yung content niya. We were here with the team. Of course, we're revising. But of course, si Mimiya, kamusta?
Okay naman, Direk. Actually, I love it. Kasi parang first time namin gumamit ng mascot
Okay.
sa shoot.
And parang inalisan niya ng trabaho kasi parang yung content team niya nag-shoot ang sobrang ganda eh.
Hindi, kasi Direk, in all fairness naman sa team ko, when we work together, parang may nagagawa naman kaming something amazing.
Oh, tama ka nga, BB Angel. It's so light, it's so hydrating. I feel like my life is unclenching.
Wow!
Correct.
Thank you,
Oh,
Direk.
salamat. Okay, I'll see you later. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
We are here with Sir Pao. He's the accounts person behind this campaign. So can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Pao. I'm from Katok, the socials arms of Gigil.
Socials Arms of Gigil.
Yeah. So Katok is the new socials agency of Gigil. So we do in-house production and digital first campaign. So
Okay, anong masabi mo naman with this campaign? Kakaiba to eh. So parang ako, medyo nagulat din ako ng briefing. So, kamusta?
yeah, this is a very challenging but exciting brief because this is the first time we're doing a co-work, collab setup with agency, direct, and then the content creators that we've tapped.
We have a storyboard nga pero guide lang siya. Hindi siya yung parang we stick to the framing, to everything. So it's more of a backbone script. So our KOLs would really work hand in hand with the agency, the creatives, and with the production team. Alright! Salamat!
Oh, thank you, guys!
Thank you. Okay, so syempre kasama natin si Miss Zainab. Kakatapos na ng mga eksena niya. Okay, so nandito tayo with Ninong Rai. Game na pala. Okay, dala. Okay, so natapos ng sequence ni Moto Goddess. Kamusta naman ang experience?